Unlike any of the other review videos I have done so far, I'm going to start off by introducing a typewriter that has yet to be serviced. This is my upcoming project, and I wanted to go over it because of its dismal state of affairs and the challenge that I'm facing. Let me open up the case. Some of you might have already recognized the style of it, associated with brand. Here it is. This is a presumably mid to late 1920s Corona number 4. Look at the state of that. So what we are dealing with here is physical damage. The key levers are all bent to hell. The type bars are mangled in a way that really looks like someone has been... This is not just from drop damage or anything like that. Someone's taken a hammer to this or something. I thought initially this type bar over here was misplaced. It should be on an angle. Perhaps be fitted here, but no, that's the Y key, which is over here. So that type slot should face straight, not an angle like that. The ribbon tower is bent. Now, in the event I can't fix that, I ordered a replacement. So I got a spare, but it's a shame. Aesthetically, this typewriter is actually not in bad shape. There is barely any rust. It's just I could refurb my cat with what's in there. And it's covered in spider webs. That said, though, it came with an owner's manual. And I think the cleaning brush as well. I got it from a 92-year-old lady. She didn't realize it was in such bad condition. But I got an owner's manual for a Corona 3, which I also have. So that'll be a good addition. No, I didn't have the brush. Case is in nice shape too. It's just the typewriter itself in this instant is, well, mangled is the word for it. In any event, stick around. I'll probably post a few updates on this. This will be fun, I think.